Hello paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with a new YouTube video made a scrapbook page, and this time I made a mixed media background with Lindy's magical powders. But first I prepped my white castle with gesso using my silicone brush from Primo Marketing, and I let my gesso dry by air. And when my gesso is dry, we can start with using the magical powders from Lindy's, and I add a little bit of powder on acrylic block, and with a little bit of water and my watercolor brush I mix it. And here I'm using a piece of plastic, and I print several times some turquoise, T-bird turquoise magical powder on my scrapbook page, and I mix it with a little bit of water, and I turn the page around and around, and I try to make a big stain on a watercolor stain on my background. And of course I want perfect mixed media background, and I can tell you no mixed media background is perfect. So okay, we try and we do our best, but at the end no mixed media background is perfect. Uh, but if you think oh no, it's not good enough, um, I just advise you to keep on trying, to add more water, to adding more color, another try it, and please add some water more, or some mixed media more and more and more, because at the end you will be have a great mixed media background that you can decorate with your embellishments and your stickers, and at the end you are very happy with the result. So don't give up and just keep trying and trying and trying. Here I'm add some more color, and I dry it with my heat tool, and add some more color and dry, and at the end I'm very happy with the result. And I think I maybe add another color with this background, and I'm thinking I add my second color will be marigold yellow orange. But first I start with placing some design paper strokes, my photos, my perspectives, and some fussy cut flowers on this page. And I'm very curious how I want to build my scrapbook page. So this will helps me to make my mixed media background. So when everything is in place, I can decide where I want to put my second color on my mixed media background. it's time to place everything on the side, and starting with the adding the second color on my mixed media background. And I'm using the same technique. I mix a little bit of marigold yellow orange with some water on an acrylic block, mix it with a little bit of water, and with a clear stamp that already looks like a stain, but you can also use a piece of plastic, of course. And I repeat the package technique on this scrapbook page. So first I apply some marigold yellow color under under the turquoise stain, and then I decided to put some more marigold yellow orange on the sides of this mixed media background, and I'm very happy how this turned out. And at the end, of course, I'm making some yellow splatters with my watercolor brush. So if you can see, I'm making my splatters with the miracle yellow orange using my pencil, my watercolor brush, and I like the festive splatter look on this page. I want to creating a beach looking background, and I think we're getting there with these colors. So I decided to stitch the design papers with colored threads using my sewing machine, and I stitch all of the design strokes that I cut out. I cut some design papers two size for behind my photos, and I'm choosing the blue white design paper from the Happy Bloom collection from Pink Flash. I rough the edges and with my distress edger, but you can also use your scissor for that. And here I place the design paper strokes on my layout using some SJ tape, and then we start decorating this scrapbook page. I struggle a little bit with these design paper strokes, but at the end we're getting there. And when everything is in place, all the strokes are in place on this layout, I start decorating my scrapbook page further with beautiful die cuts and beautiful perspectives. For the photos, I'm using some 3D foam, so my photos will a little bit popping out of this scrapbook page, and it's really easy to slide the die cuts underneath these photos. When you're using 3D foam, here I place some tropical leaves, and I stitch these tropical leaves with my sewing machine, some gold threads to the center of this tropical leaves. And here I place in the flowers that I pussy cut from the design paper behind the photo, and so this is how I creating clusters and layers behind my photos. I I glue my perspectives with glossy accent, and I love those pink flip-flops on this scrapbook page, and I adore this light blue beach ball. These beach balls are so cute, and I think they are a perfect fit for this beach bait of my from my children. And title perspective title cool vibe. I think this title is one of my favorites, cool vibes. So the title of this layout will be cool vibes on the beach. So yes, here I glue the beach ball with some glossy accents, and I add some small details to my page, and I choose the dark blue alpha set from the Hip Kit Club, and for my title on the beach, and the yellow Hip Kit Club alpha beach. So the title cool vibes on the beach. I love this title, and I love how it turns out on the scrapbook page. So I think I'm almost there. I always worried that I forgot something or I added some more extra embellishments, so I choose for the enamel dots to for the yellow enamel. I choose for the yellow enamel dots on my page, and with some white acrylic paint I make some splatters on my scrapbook layout, and I love the white splatter look. It's so festive and beachy look. And yes, just what this page needs. And here I got some butterflies with the metal die set from the metal die butterfly set from Bramble Fox, and I cut these butterflies out of acetate. And acetate, you can color acetate with aqua ink, and I choose the color patina from Ranger. It's a blue-green color aqua ink, and I love this color. It fits perfect by my background, and I'm using some blending solution to blend the aqua ink on my acetate butterflies. And I'm very happy with the result, so I let them dry now first. I decided to add more colored splatters, and the pink, light pink tropical flower by my Cool Vibes title. And I need more light pink color splatters on this layout. So here I using the magical powder Ramblin' Rose Pink that I mix with a little bit of water, and with my brush, watercolor brush, I made splatters on my scrapbook page. And here my acetate butterflies colored with my aqua ink are dry, and I place them too on the scrapbook page. So that was my scrapbook layout for Bramble Fox, and I hope I was able to inspire you with this mixed media layout using the beautiful perspectives from Bramble Fox and the metal dies. I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video, and don't forget to check the Facebook group and website for more beautiful Bramble Fox goodies. So I wish you a beautiful and crafty day, and hope to see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye!